I'll walk you through installing Office 2024 and a management process. Our strategy focuses on AI, data, and cybersecurity.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want to save you a few bucks, right? This for education and purpose, right? Like what you just read. I want to show you how to download and install MS Office 2024 for free, the right way to install it, activate it for free. Anyway, that's for free, right? So today, for the purpose of people that have already got this on their laptop, that they've already installed it on their laptop, let's start with you guys first. Then we shadow to the people that haven't got it on their laptop because need fresh installation. You need to do what I do. You don't need to be genius. Just follow what I do. All right. So now the first thing that we can do here, for the purpose of people that have already installed this before, we need to uninstall it first. So what we need to do, we need to go first to control panel. All right, let's go to the window first. Click start, and from there you go to control panel. That's where add or remove program. That's where you can get add or remove program on any PC, on any window PC. All right, that is Office, Microsoft Office 2024 Plus. You need to uninstall it first. When you highlight it, it's going to show uninstall up there. Just click uninstall and it's going to remove automatically after you click on install. This process is for people that already got this on their laptop installed. Maybe it's asking for activation and you don't have activation skill, you understand? So we need to download afresh and activate it freshly. All right, so let's go. Yeah, that's one is you need to just refresh it. Then you go to the C drive where the those applications are installed. Anything of Office, when you see anything of Office, you need to remove it because at times, at times the best way to go about this, when you install it like that, you refresh your system by restarting your system so everything can apply. Because if there is element of Office somewhere and it's not properly installed, it might there might be conflict from what you want to do. So you delete everything, go there, any Office, you say everything is clean right now. So let's go, and there's nothing anymore. Yeah, there's nothing Office there. Okay, that's the Office right there. Just delete everything that you see that's pertaining to Office. So we close it. Let's go download the fresh one right now from the Microsoft site. We have to download it, but you have to be careful a little bit here. Whatever I choose is what you must choose. Office you type Office development tools, then you click this, then you have to scroll down a little bit because you have to select the particular version that I want to select. Yeah, okay, just click download, and there create a folder and put the download file inside that folder. Anyway, yeah, name Office. MS Office, yeah, just a lot of seconds. 2024. All right. Remember, when you just download it, anything is going to go straight to it's going to be straight on the download folder. Then that is the development tools there, right? So you open it. Let's go. For anything, for any Office, mind you, for anything you want to install, you need to agree. Then select the folder on the desktop. You need to agree to the terms and conditions, or it's not going to allow you to go anywhere as a fresher. But people that are used to installation, they know that this. So you don't have time to read all this, right? So you have to go back and Office customization 2, then go there. click the link, the first one that first pop up, click that. And now this is a little bit weird here, because this is where you have to know the version of your system. Because if your system is 32-bit and you download 64, it might not work. And if your system is 34 and you download 32, that means not a proper one. So I think let me show you how to check the version of your system. I think just hold on a little seconds. I should be able to show you. Just okay. Let's minimize. Then go there and click properties. Right click and click property. There you see system type is 64-bit operating system. So what you need to do here, you go back to the page and click 64-bit. If it's 32, you have to download 32. All right. Then just select what I'm selecting here. You see Microsoft Plus 2024. Let me zoom it a little bit so you can see. This is exactly what I'm trying to download right now. Okay, let's go. You click that. You scroll down. There's nothing much to select there. Okay, the latest one. Yeah, you're right. The latest one. What I will advise you is just select the one that is necessary for you to work. You don't need to download everything. Right? If you want to use PowerPoint, just select PowerPoint. If you want to use only Microsoft Word, if you want to use Excel, you can select that. But don't just, if you like, you can do that, but it's going to just take unnecessary space. Right? Okay, let's go. OneDrive, Outlook, Classic, Publisher. Then the most important thing that people normally use is PowerPoint, Word, and Excel. All right. So you select those three. Go down a little bit. Language, select English automatically. Yeah, you know to select. But if you can select your language, if you are not speaking English anyway, it doesn't matter. Then here, there's nothing for you to select anymore. Just click export. Keep the current setting, because the default setting is selecting everything, but right now you've already filtered some. So just click current setting and click OK straight away. Accept, export, and wait just to keep, but in your system it might not display that, because when you filter what you can see, then that's what happened. Then let's go there. You go to download folder again. Remember, I told you anything you download is going to be in the download folder. So then you go, you copy it and go and paste it inside the file that you created, the folder that you created on the desktop. So make sure all of them are in the same place. Now this is what you do. Copy that. Paste it in C drive where the operating system is located, but don't worry, just hold on for seconds. Let's command prompt, but don't forget about something. I run the command prompt in an administrative mode. You have to be an administrator. You have to have a full because remember, when you are installing any software, you are going to the root of the system. Right, so if you don't run it as administrator, you might end up getting an error. Right, so you have to right click, select run as administrator, or you just go on search bar, type command, then you go as administrator. That's the only way you can successfully in exactly what I want to do here right now. Okay. Let me zoom it for you so you can see properly. Okay, right. Let's go back there. Okay, just locate the folder that I copied inside the C. Let's copy the link. Now you copy the link, and here just paste the link, Ctrl V, or you just type it like that. CDs change directory, CD change directory. All right, so you can access the file. Remember, we paste the folder under C. Right. So what is going to happen now? You are changing the directory to C, but inside that folder, right? You see, if you look at the directory change already, just copy it. What I'm going to put both in the description below. But if in case if you want to type it, it's still the same thing. There's no difference there. All right. So just copy that and minimize that and okay. Ctrl V, you can still paste it and hit enter and just hold on a little bit for the office to set. up. Right, just hold down. You don't need to do anything. Don't touch anything. Everything is under control, and let the system do the remaining. So right now, what the system is doing in the background is installing Office 2024. Right. Then you just have to hold on. Please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office download. It's going to download it and install it automatically. If you remember, during the selection or during the download, development tool is selected Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and those are the logo for the three that you are seeing there. So you don't need to do anything. Just hold on and realize it's going to do the remaining job for you. All right. Okay. Now it's all set right now. So just click close and all right, go to this and you're gonna see Excel. Open it, but here now it's not yet activated. If you look at the information, they say activation required. Microsoft Office LTLC Professional Plus 2024 need activation. Activation required. So that is the next thing we're going to do. Now, since we've successfully installed this, we are going to activate it right now. All right. Now, let's close this. Answer to your okay. That'll be the end of this video. If this video is very helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This is made to you. My name is Samuel from Smart Digital Learning. Signing out.